Hi, welcome back to Felix Art World. These are the colors I will be using for this project. Copper, metallic copper. The white is a dirty white or unbleached white by Master's Touch. Black and also gold by Master's Touch, and I threw away the tube. So here I'm starting with the dirty white, the copper, and so on, making my dirty cup to do this dirty pour. I accelerated the video almost twice the speed just to save time and memory. Now I am ready to begin this pour. And let's see how this works out. I've sped up the video, remember, and some sections up ahead coming soon to save some time, your time and my time. So it's pretty much a back and forth going across up until this point. Oh, you know what? I forgot the paint is not flowing as well as I thought it will because I forgot to apply paint to this wooden frame first. So that's what I'm gonna do here. Do an application of paint with this sponge. Remember that you can see photographs of this work and much more on my social media, on Facebook under Felix Art World and on Instagram under the same name, Felix Art World. On the description box down below you will find links to all my social media. I created with all the skins I had left over from this project, and I also did other pours, but using the same colors. I did pours on tiles and 2 rocks, and all the skins that were left over, I used them to do a really nice project that you will see photos of at the end of this video. And I am working on a separate video on the steps that were taken to do that piece, that particular piece, which is a moon, a cat, and a girl. All right, here it is, all finished. Beautiful, just gorgeous. I really like it. All this color combination, which I hardly ever do. I am loving it. It's awesome. So I waited for it to dry up, and then I did 2 layers of Liquitex varnish. They're awesome water-based varnish, which is just divine. It's so clean, so vibrant. It's beautiful. I highly recommend it. Well, to all the people that have subscribed already, thank you so much for helping me make this channel grow. It is you that makes it grow. And if you are new and would like to see more projects, please subscribe, give me a like, help me get into those algorithms. And at the very end of this video, I will link a card that will take you to the video of the next project, the little girl and the cat. It will take you to that. Well, here it is, all finished and dry and varnished, looking nice and shiny. And here's a piece that you will find a video too on the steps I took to do it by creating my own stencil. Thank you. Bye bye.